Daniel's the light J.A. Calling all ladies and gentlemen. The 6, the quenga and the 4 gen of them. The fancy, the shinging and the twinkle them. And don't be selfish, share it with a Christian friend.
Wagwan my delightful peeps, welcome back to another video from Daniel's Delight JA. Today I am showing you how I make my delicious Oreo milkshake. To make this delicious treat, I'm using a blender, and you simply want to get some Oreos. This is a big pack of the mini Oreos and a box of milk and some ice cream. I do have a video showing you how to make my homemade ice cream. It's jackfruit flavor. The recipe I use can be used to make any flavor ice cream, and the link to that video will be in the description box below. And as my sweetener, I am using condensed milk. I am now going to add my ingredients to my blender, and I am starting out with my liquids, and that is my cup of milk, my ice cream, my condensed milk, my Oreos are next. Ensure that you crush your Oreos before you add them to the blender. And then we blend. And here it is, my Oreo milkshake, done to perfection. The full recipe for my Oreo milkshake will be in the description box below. Remember to show some love by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment about my Oreo milkshake, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.